This is Kirk at Strutmasters.com. Today we're doing a front conversion kit on a BMW 740i. These are the tools you're going to need. You're going to need a 1/2-inch impact gun with a few impact sockets, a 3/8 ratchet with a few 3/8 sockets, a couple of wrenches, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of E-torque sockets. After lifting the vehicle, take the front wheels off. Careful on the last one. Next, under the hood, remove any of these plastic trim panels to gain access to the top strut bolts. Next, remove the top strut bolts. Next, we're going to remove the air line. Let the air escape before you take it all the way out. Once all the air is out, you can take the fitting out. Next, remove the electrical connectors. That one's broken. I can't see this one. There we go. Then remove the electrical harness from the strut bracket. Place a jack underneath the lower control arm to support the knuckle. Remove the bolt connecting the upper control arm to the knuckle. And then remove the upper control arm from the knuckle. For a precautionary measure, you might want to put a strap on the knuckle just so it doesn't pull on this brake line. Next, remove your sway bar end link. Sometimes you might have to hold that stud with a Torx bit. Sometimes you don't. Remove your sway bar. You might have to push down on it. Get it out of the way. Next, remove the bottom strut bolt. You may have to let your jack down to release the bolt. Then remove the air strut from the vehicle. Next, install your new Strutmasters strut. Place it into the vehicle. Like so. Next, install your bottom strut bolt. Raise the knuckle with a jack. When you raise the knuckle, make sure the top mounting studs go into place. Next, pull your upper control arm down back into the knuckle. Slide your bolt in place and tighten down the nut. Slide your bolt in place. Next, place your sway bar back into the strut. Tighten the nut up. You see that? Remove your strap from your knuckle. And make sure that your electrical connectors are tied up and out of the way. You can now lower the jack, remove it from under the vehicle. Using the supplied hardware, place a washer and a nut on each stud. And tighten them down. Replace any plastic trim pieces you may have taken off to get to the top of the strut. This one's a little beat up. Then you can reinstall your wheel.